It's a 2019 Ram 1500. It offers a legendary hauling and towing capability, sophisticated comfort with work-ready durability. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, energy regenerative brakes, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Uconnect access Wi-Fi hotspot, leather steering wheel, active grille shutters, Bilstein shocks, Park Sense Park Assist, and automatic transmission. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.